name is Juan Sebastián Delgado Martinez, proposes presentation at damage hairdresser. The application provides a better customer experience, increases operational efficiency, and also expands the visibility of the hair salon, improving its competitiveness in the market. Marketing will be carried out through a head of agreement where the key terms will be established, including the protection of intellectual property, to guarantee the security of each the parties. The valuation of sale proposal is carried out through the cost approach, registering annually a value of 40 million pesos. Through patent registration, intellectual property of the proposed innovation is protected by guaranteeing exclusive rights over its use for a specific period of time. Thank you.